What's up guys, it's SternOak and today we're unboxing the Beats Fit Pro in white. I've had the Powerbeats Pro, but I wanted something that had active noise canceling, something that stayed in your ear. These are pretty much the answer to what I wanted, especially the fact you don't have ear hooks because they get in the way sometimes when I'm wearing glasses. Noise canceling and transparency mode, it's pretty much like the AirPods Pro, but a sportier version. It doesn't have wireless charging, but that doesn't really matter to me. For you Android users, there is a Beats app on Android, and I've heard it works very well. It pairs seamlessly just like it does on iPhone. These will be replacing my Powerbeats Pro. Oh yeah. Time to open these up. Here we go, Beats logo. Oh yeah. Ooh, man, the unboxing experience, it's always amazing with Apple products. So, the pair keep earbuds in case with lid open. So, what else they got? Okay. Great sound starts with proper fit. Of course, they got the extra ear tips to accommodate for all the different ears that we have. So you got the small one, large one, USB-C cable, handbooks. Please tell me it has the stickers, that's all I care about. Okay, it has the Beats sticker, cool. Apple Music, okay. 3 months, oh yeah. By the way, these free trials for Apple Music, it's only for new users, so if you already did a trial before, it's not gonna work. All right, cool little booklet. Here it is, Beats Fit Pro. Wow. The size, wow. It's like the same kind of, I guess, shape as the Powerbeats Pro case, except it's a lot smaller in the hands, man. Like, definitely feels more like the small AirPods case, something you can pocket. This thing right here, this Powerbeats Pro case, it's large. Definitely not comfortable to put in the pocket. This one, I'll put in my pocket right now real quick. Yeah, it feels just like an AirPods case in your pocket. Okay, magnetic connection, wow. The magnetic connection is also, it feels way stronger than the ones on these Powerbeats. See this one? Yeah, you just feel a little snap. This one, like, you can feel the force of the magnet just go down on that. All right, so it's time to pair these with my iPhone. I don't want to update my iPhone, but I'll just set it up. So Beats Fit Pro, it already knows, has, oh, okay. It comes with a pretty good charge in the box. All right, you have noise cancellation, transparency. These modes were not present in the Powerbeats Pro, but now I get these modes just like the AirPods Pro. So ear detection connects to iPhone automatically. All right, spatial audio, that's another feature that's new. Microphone. All right, so you guys can see, I can connect Beats Fit Pro right there. All right, I'm gonna go listen to some music real quick. So noise control is on, spatial audio is on. All right, gonna play some music right here. Play some music. Wow, the music, the bass, yeah, the audio quality is it's already a lot better than my Powerbeats Pros, man. I'm instantly retiring these guys. The noise cancellation of this is really good. Like, I don't know how loud my voice is outside of these earbuds. I can't hear anything. I can't hear the ambient noise of the world. It's crazy. Hold on. Let's go turn on that transparency mode so that I can hear the outside world. It uses the microphones to send you like the signal of what it hears. It's the opposite of noise cancellation mode. Yeah, now I can hear my own voice actually. One of the things I was concerned about in the reviews was the wing tips that go in your ear canal. Some people were complaining that it gets uncomfortable after a bit. It fits in my ear perfectly, guys. And then when you take out one of them, you realize how strong the noise cancellation is, man. Like, I can hear the fridge now. Like, I could not hear the fridge at all when I had it on. It's like a plastic, like rubber. See, it's like a rubber material. It's a little flexible, so that's good. But yeah, the in-ear design is very similar to the AirPods Pro. When I put this right earbud back on, it just became quiet all of a sudden. That's really trippy. I feel bad for the, you know, those tech reviewers and other people that have like a bad fit with these earbuds, because they really feel like they fit me perfectly. Same thing with like AirPods, you know, like there's a lot of tech reviewers that complain about how they don't fit in people's ears, but for me, like AirPods fit perfectly. This feels so heavy compared to this, man, I'm telling you. Like, these just fix so many problems that I always had with the Powerbeats Pro. I've been seeing the Powerbeats going like routinely below $160 now. There's a reason for that, guys. You guys gotta know. I'm gonna listen to the most bassy song ever, man. It's crazy how many problems it fixed for the Powerbeats Pro. I could list them all right now. Okay, these had the ear hook that went over your ear, and it would get uncomfortable after like an hour or two. That's gone. That's replaced with a really good ear canal design. Lack of noise cancellation, that's fixed. Lack of transparency mode, that's fixed. Spatial audio, there's none here. Yes, there is here. Weak magnets, that's fixed here. Big case, unwieldy, heavy, that's fixed. Connection issues, you guys are gonna have to wait till the long-term review, see if I find any problems with that. Look at that. These are just a lot more premium, and I'll be honest, man, if you go to the gym or like play sports or stuff like me, you know, I go to the gym and then I play basketball after. There's no reason to get the AirPods Pros today when these exist. Yes, I know AirPods Pros, they go on sale for like $170 now, and these go for $200. But I mean, even at retail price, man, these go hard. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and more videos of this product in the future. And bye guys, have a good day.